Hello everyone, welcome to Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Science. My name is Kritika Sharma and today I discuss about National TB Control Program. Firstly, I explain what is a tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an infection disease caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. This mainly affected the lungs in our body, and many signs and symptoms of the tuberculosis like cough, chest pain, fever and etc. The TB is droplet infection is highly contagious and the patient are infective as long they remain untreated, and infective antimicrobial treatment to reduce the infective 90% within a 48 hours. To reduce and prevent of the TB, the government started a program called National Tuberculosis Program. This program come under 1962 in India. This program have unacceptable and low success rate because spread multi-drug registration TB. The multi-drug registration are bacteria and the microorganisms that have developed the registration to the antimicrobial drug. In 1992, the Government of India and WHO review the concluded many points of NTP. NTP suffered managerial weakness. Managerial weakness, that means the inability to make a discussion and poor communication skill between committee and inadequate funding, matlab money related problem. Over reliance X-ray for the diagnosis and is totally dependent on the X-ray, and frequent interrupt supply of the drug and low rate treatment complication. Then, due to the unsuccess after the NTP, the government developed a new program called Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program. The Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program are come under 1993 Government of India with assist for international agencies. The RNTCP is formulated adopt direct observed treatment short course. The direct observed treatment short course is the name given the tuberculosis control safety recommended by the WHO, in which the antibacterial drug used political and administrative commitment, the ensuring the adequate fund, staff and other key inputs, and adoption the smear microscopy for the reliable easy diagnosis in the decentralized manner. The sputum microscopy is allow reliable identification of the pulmonary tuberculosis, and if the sputum sample 50,000 bacilli per ml in the sputum so cause this pulmonary tuberculosis. Objective of the RNTCP, two main objectives: achievements at least 85% cure rate infection cases through DOTS therapy, and augmentation case finding activities, quality of the sputum microscopy detect at least 70% estimated cases. Then phases of RNTCP. As the three phases of RNTCP, phase 1 is 1992 to 2006, phase 2 2006 to 2011, and phase 3 2011 to 2017. 1998 cover 2% of population, and by 2006 is cover whole India, enters the second phase. RNTCP is built on the infrastructure of the NTP and DOT strategy is adopted. Organization of the RNTCP state TB officer, state tuberculosis officer, state TB training and demonstrated center directors, and district TB center district tuberculosis officer. Tuberculosis unit is medical officer and TB control, senior treatment supervisor, senior TB lab supervisor, and microscopy center and treatment center and DOTS provider. That is the organization of the RNTCP.